up, you guys? It's Shelby. Welcome back. Today I am coming at you with another teacher video. What I'm going to be sharing with you today is a classroom management strategy, something that I'm going to be implementing in my classroom this year. It's really easy, it's really effective, and it's definitely budget friendly. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then stick around. So we always have those students that as soon as you give out their seat work, within 5 minutes, they're finished and they come up to you with the dreaded question, what do I do now, right? And so I would always respond by telling my students to just read a book or draw a picture. And although I felt like that was something that worked and it was effective, I couldn't help but think there was something a little bit better that I could do or implement in my classroom that wasn't so wasteful and that was a little bit more thoughtful of their time. I felt like I was spending a lot of my free time and a lot of my conference period picking up after the students and going along with being wasteful. I just felt like they were wasting a ton of paper and I was having to provide a lot of outside resources as far as paper goes. And so I just wanted to do something a little bit different. And so I researched on Pinterest and I came across the idea of fast finishers. Now, the idea of fast finishers is not something I created entirely on my own. I went online and I picked just some things that I felt like was going to work for me in my classroom. And I came up with the idea of a fast finishers tub that I have right here. So this is super easy, it's super cost effective, and it was really simple to come up with. I have the tub right here that I got from the dollar store, and then I have 6 of these journals that I'm titling my class diary. And so with that, I have some popsicle writing prompts. And so on here, I have a bag of probably, I don't know, 50 or so writing prompts. So one of the ones I have here is, what was the best thing about first grade? I have on this one, where do you go for fun? I have this one right here, do you play sports? And so really the sky's the limit. You can put just some really funky ones on here. I have some that are a little bit more fun that my son suggested, stuff like, do you like Spider-Man or Batman? I wanted to pick some things that were fun for them to write about, but wasn't something that they really felt like they were having to write and it was like a burden, just something that would really get them creative. And something that they thought would be fun to write about without them really even noticing that they were writing about it. I want to talk just rules and procedures about this with you guys. So it's super simple, right? You have the tub, you have the journals, and you have the popsicle sticks. So it's super easy. Now for my rules and procedures, I have for my students that when they are finished, they have to have their seat work checked by me first, and then they may go grab a journal and they may grab their popsicle stick. Now you're going to have those students who go over there and they're going to get their popsicle stick as soon as possible, and then you're going to have some that go over there and they're going to be trying to rummage through all of them. I have put on my rules and procedures that they are to go over there and grab the first one on the top. They are to take it to their seat, and I want them to do a classic diary entry. And so with that, I want their name on the top, I would like their date of their entry, and I want their popsicle writing prompt on the very top of the page. You can make it however you want, but I have for my students to do at least 5 sentences that goes along with the writing prompt, and then following their writing, they may draw a picture and color it. And after they are done, they are to return their journals back to the tub along with the popsicles in their sleeve here as well. And then you will have some students possibly that are waiting on a journal. I have told the students that if all of the journals are taken, that they are to read a book, and then when one becomes available, they may grab it and do the same thing. And then on the flip side, when the students are finished with their journal entry, then they may grab a book and read the remainder of their time. It's just a win-win, I feel like, for all the students because it's keeping them quiet. It's reinforcing some of the things that we're talking about in the classroom. They're practicing their writing, and it's all without them really even knowing. So it's perfect. And the best part is too, it's something they can do on their own and they can be responsible, and it's not something that you have to hover over them. And if they don't finish, then I've told them that they may come back to it later on in the day, or they can finish it the next day. Or if they don't finish at all, it's totally fine. It's something just to keep them busy while their friends are working. Okay guys, that wraps up my classroom management strategy that I had to share for you guys today. If you have anything that you would like to recommend, I would love to hear them down below. I want to say before I go that if you are a first-year teacher, this video is really for you. I'm not making these videos because I want just glamorous views or I think that I have amazing video quality. I'm trying to help just one person if I can. When I was a first-year teacher, I felt so incredibly overwhelmed and I felt like I just didn't know where to start. And so I'm really hoping that this video can help just some people out there that are needing just a little bit more direction. If you've got anything from this video, I want you to know that classroom management is key. And so if you can get this nailed down, it's going to make your year run a lot smoother and your kids are going to respond to you a whole lot better than if you didn't have rules and procedures in place. So I will try to make a couple more videos before the school year starts. If you have any ideas, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.